Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to quickly scan and upload files that are still in paper form to Google Drive. So how to quickly scan and upload files that are still in paper form to Google Drive. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Usually, friends upload files to Google Drive in digital formats such as PDF, Word, JPG, or other formats that are already available on their respective devices. However, what if the files you want to upload are still in physical form, such as paper or hard file documents? Of course, this is often a question for many people who want to save their physical documents into a digital format for easier access and storage. There is no need to worry, because the actual process of converting physical documents into digital files that can be quickly uploaded to Google Drive. Don't worry. It's very easy to do. Let's get started right away. Firstly, before I start, please make sure to prepare the hard file that will be scanned and uploaded. Next, open the Google Drive application on your cell phone. And then, tap the camera icon, which is at the bottom right of the screen, and will automatically enter the camera. Then point the cell phone camera at the paper to take a picture that will be scanned. And suppose the size doesn't fit here, we can cut the file size. And then tap the Done icon at the top right of the screen. The file has been scanned, and here we can rename the file to be uploaded. To determine the upload location in the Google Drive Location tab. And then specify the Google Drive email with the Account icon tab. After everything is done, tap the Save icon at the top right of the screen to upload the scanned file. To find out which files have been uploaded, please refresh by dancing the screen down. Well, the file we scanned has been successfully uploaded. That is a tutorial on how to scan and upload files that are still in paper form to Google Drive. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.